Welcome to the wiper world. Today, we're tackling a common problem: worn out windshield wiper blades. Now, we all have experienced the frustration of smudgy windshields and poor visibility. This is why, guys, today I will be showing you how to change your car's windshield wipe. So let's get started. How to identify the problem. Are you struggling with reduced windshield clarity or finding it difficult to get a clean wipe? Now guys, it's very important to understand when you need to change your car's windshield wipes. Maybe your wipers are less efficient at cleaning the dirt and debris even when the wiper has functioned multiple times. These are clear signs that it's time to replace your windshield wiper blades. Let's move on to our quick SOS guide and learn how to address this issue. Before you rush to the auto shop, did you know that you can clean your wiper blades at home? We'll show you how to clean them thoroughly. Additionally, we'll guide you on checking the right size of the wiper blades for your vehicle. Basic tool requirement. Grab a measuring tape to determine the size of the new wiper blades that you'll be purchasing. Go for a pair of new wiper blades that are compatible with your car's make and model. Some cars require specific attachment types. How to fix the problem. Now, let's get down to business. First, ensure your vehicle is turned off to avoid any mishaps. Removing the old blades. To do this, lift the wiper arm away from the windshield. Look for a small tab or release mechanism on the wiper blade assembly. Press it, and while holding it down, gently slide the blade off the wiper arm. Repeat this process for both the driver and passenger sides. Measure the older blades with the tape. Check the size before buying a new one because the size may affect the cleaning process. You will clearly see the difference between the old and the new ones. Attaching the new blades. With the old blades removed, it's time to install the new ones. Take the new blade and align the attachment mechanism with the wiper arm. Push the blade until you hear a click or feel it securely lock into place. Ensure it's properly attached and can move freely across the windshield without any obstructions. Testing and adjusting. Now that the new blades are in place, it's time to test them out. Turn on your car's wipers and observe their movement. Make sure they clear the windshield smoothly and don't leave any streaks behind. Regular maintenance. Congrats on installing those new shiny wiper blades. To extend the lifespan of your new wiper blades, it's important to maintain them regularly. Clean the blades with a soft cloth and mild detergent. Always top up the windshield washer fluid in the washer fluid reservoir. By cleaning your blades once a month, you'll ensure optimal performance and a clear view ahead. And there you have it, guys. Changing your car's windshield wiper blades doesn't have to be a daunting task. With a little know-how, you can maintain excellent visibility and tackle any rainstorm with ease. Remember to check and replace your wiper blades regularly to stay safe on the roads. Stay tuned for more automotive tips and tricks, and keep watching this space for more such content.